How to remove message button on Facebook. So if you want to remove the message button on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Messenger. After opening your Messenger, you need to just go with the three horizontal lines, which is on the bottom right. And here you will have this kind of interface. Now you need to go with the profile or go with settings. Go with your main profile. In my case, this is my main profile. I'll just simply go and switch to my main profile. Go with the menu, which is on the bottom right, and then go with settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and go with privacy and safety. Now scroll down again and go with message delivery. And here you need to go with friends on Facebook and tap on don't receive request. Go with update settings and then go with people in your Facebook groups. Go and select don't receive request. Go with update settings. In the same way, you need to go with pages you follow and others on Messenger or Facebook. You need to go and select don't receive request on each of the other options. Do this for every category and it will effectively remove the message button from your Facebook profile, giving you full control over who can reach you. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.